In this video, I'll show you how to program a Philips Universal Remote for any TV. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Step 1. Turn on your TV. Make sure your TV is turned on. If you have multiple devices, turn off the others. Step 2. Enter setup mode. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the red indicator light appears and stays on. Step 3. Select device type. Press the button corresponding to your device. TV, DVD, SDR, or AUD. The light will then blink. Step 4. Enter code. Enter the 4-digit Philips Universal code for your TV brand. The light will turn off if the code is accepted. You will be able to find this code in your manual. Step 5. Test your remote. Try operating your TV with the remote. If it doesn't respond, repeat the process with another code. Auto code search. Step 1. You can also do an auto code search. Turn on your TV and press and hold the TV setup button until the red light stays on. Step 2. Press the device button and then repeatedly press the power button until the TV turns off. Then when the TV turns off, press setup to lock the code. Test other buttons to confirm that your remote now actually works. And that is how you program your Philips Universal Remote. And here's a nice picture of my dog. He is very cute. Subscribe.